Hey everyone, it's Ash with Raising the Bar. I hope you're having an amazing month of October full of all of the spooky movies and costumes. Today I have another Halloween inspired cocktail called Vampire Venom. Alright guys, we have the Vampire Venom cocktail here. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, that's really good. I wanted to switch it up by adding rum. I rarely use rum. Even though I do really like it, I usually just go with one of the more obvious choices like vodka, tequila, whiskey. But I'm a big fan of this, so I hope you try it. The rum and the cherry juice definitely work super well together. And then of course, having it be like that blood color definitely helps for the holiday season. And then I just went ahead and added some of those vampire teeth on here. So yeah, I would highly recommend trying this one. Happy Halloween!